The first tab on the control panel is Hotel Management. The Hotel Management module allows the authorized DWHCP user to maintain and closely monitor the life cycle of a property or hotel, and at what stage it is being processed. The list of hotels under the Hotel Management tab defaults to the hotels in the pipeline for each team or function. User can only edit hotel information if the hotel is included in the pipeline list for his or her function. Still on the Hotel Management tab, on the Category column, colored icons are available for tagging: green for active, blue for parked, red for demo. Let's define the status icons. Active status. The hotel account is currently live and is able to generate online reservations via the internet booking engine. Park status. The hotel account is on pause due to a number of possible reasons: no availability, no rate parity, etc., and will not be able to generate online reservations via the internet booking engine. Demo status. The hotel account is solely used for testing. Demo hotels are excluded from the extracts generated from the Reports Builder module. Demo status accounts will not show up on the control panel and sales partner interface dashboards. They are also not listed on the DWH Hotel directory. The hotel name is clickable, which will open a pop-up window that will enable an authorized DWHCP user to update or modify hotel information details in the following tabs: Property Information, Launch Type, Guest Interface, Bank Details. Prerequisite: a property becomes available in the control panel only if it was successfully submitted by an authorized local coach through the Hotel Endorsement tab in the Sales Partner interface. E-subscription form to be filled out by the hotelier has the following tabs: Subscription Agreement, Hotel Information, Room Types and Rates, Taxes and Surcharges, Policies, and Images. Here is what the Submissions Received status looks like. On the Status column, the pencil icon right beside the status enables the user to change the status of a property. This is done when there are necessary changes during the activations process. Submission Accepted status. Once a submission is received, the user must provide remarks on the text box. If the action is Submit to Online Production, the activations process is website and IBE banner creation. Click Submit to Online Production button. If the action is Go Live, Receive to Go Live, Accepted, the activation process is website and IBE banner delivery from online production. Click on Accept button. If the action is HI Training, the activation process is Hotelier Extranet User Access is switched to On. Click on the HI Training button to enter the hotel's Hotelier Extranet account. If the action is activation of the Internet Booking Engine, the activation process is passing the quality assurance check for the hotel website and Hotelier Extranet. This is now ready for GI activation. Activation of the Internet Booking Engine. Click on the GI Activation button. If the action is MM Received to MM Graduated, the activation process is passing quality assurance check, test reservation, and creation of online marketing campaigns and advertising website. The Edit Status link. Remarks is needed for the following actions: unsubscribe, deactivate, activate, reject. At any point in the activation process, the user can unsubscribe, deactivate, or delete a hotel account. Clicking on the pencil icon will open a log window of the activities under the hotel account. An account that has been unsubscribed will have a view link under Remarks. Here is an example of a remark placed on unsubscribe. In this case, the hotel is no longer collaborative. That is why the property is being unsubscribed. Just the same as the unsubscribed status, Inactive also has a view link under Remarks. The HI link enables the user to open the HI link in a new tab. Users with no full HI access won't be able to make edits. Access can be changed from the User Management tab of the control panel. The warning box alerts the user of the limitations of access. The directory link enables an authorized DWHCP user to define or update the property's directory description that appears on the directory site. Here is the directory link. The pins on the map represents the hotels we are partnered with. The drop-down box allows the user to easily select a location. When a selection is made on the drop-down box, the map repopulates to zoom into the selected location. For this example, Boracay Island is selected. The map repopulates to Calibo. Here are the rates and rooms available in Boracay. The text under the name of the hotel is where the directory link description appears. Log display has the alarm clock icon. This function provides the user a complete log of all the activities or tasks carried out for the property, including the pertinent details of the particular activities, such as date of update or activities, CP user responsible for the update, type of action or activity taken. The log feature is available from anywhere in the Hotel Management module through the alarm clock icon.